Computer Management, the Desktop, Part 2. Every operating system has a special program called a File Manager. For the Windows operating system, this is Windows Explorer. Select the Windows Explorer icon on the taskbar. This opens Windows Explorer. If the Libraries group is selected, you will see your own documents, music, videos, and pictures. Select the button next to Libraries. Select the button to expand the Documents group. You can see your own documents and any public documents. These are documents that can be shared by all users of the computer. Select My Documents. Close the Libraries group. If the computer group is selected, all the storage devices on the computer can be seen. This includes internal hard drives, such as a C and D drive here, or an external hard drive. It can also include flash drives and DVD drives. To close Windows Explorer, click on the Close button. The recycle bin is used to store any files which have been deleted by selecting them and pressing the Delete key. To open the recycle bin, double-click on the icon. A deleted file can be restored by right-clicking on the file icon and selecting Restore. The files can also permanently be deleted by emptying the recycle bin. This will save hard drive space. Make sure that you want to delete the files and then click on Yes. Close the recycle bin. You can also add My Computer to the desktop. Click on the Start button and go to Computer. Right-click and select Show on Desktop. Click away from the Start button menu. The computer is now shown and accessible on the desktop. Double-click and you can see the disk drives and CD drives, as well as any mapped network drives. Close the My Computer window.